Friends, I hope all of you are doing good and doing great. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use a chat GPT to create this kind of a diagram so easily. This is a sequence diagram of one of my project of multi AI agent assistant. So this diagram I have created with the help of DrawIO. I have the GitHub repository in already in place. So I'll just have created this sequence diagram so fast and so easily. This is what I'm going to show you. So let me start this with. Uh, I'll not show you that how this animation and all, because animation I have already created, that how you can create the animation of this arrows and all. This is I already showed you earlier, one of the videos. Please have a look in my previous videos. You will find it. Let me go to my this one. Okay, so here in your chat GPT you have to just say that create flowchart or a sequence diagram for following get repo. You have to provide the get repo. This is the prompt you have to give, and then it's so easy. Just create this. You can see it's only giving the steps now because it is using GPT 3.5 model. So now you see that it's only not nowhere I can see that it's giving me a nicely way that how the code is working and how it is you can use this git repository and what is all you have to do. So now I'll use one of the cloud 3 Hiku. I'm getting some script here, so you can see that this is the script, and I also can use another scripts. Okay, this is asking for something else. So either of I can take. So let me take this one for first. Okay, just copy this mermaid one and then go to add a new page. Go to here in your draw IO, go to advanced, go to plus icon and then go to advanced and then mermaid. Here whatever you have copied from there, just paste it here. Here you will get a nice small and nice diagram of that. Now it's up to you. You want that everything is sketches because currently showing sketches. This one, or arrange or just style any style you want. How you want the style, how you want that rounded or not. This is all up to you. Now if I'll go here and if I'll say that line, the size of the line should be this much, and why it is not showing here, one second, let me delete this one and then paste it again. One second, go here, advanced mermaid, paste it, insert. Now you can see all arrows are coming. Make it a little bit big first, then you can change the colors if you want. You make it a dark color as well, and you want to increase the font size and then if you want the animation on the arrows, that also you can do by selecting the arrows. All the arrows you have to select and then go to style and then flow animation. Now it's so easy, and then flow animation. If one is remaining, you can select separately. Now the rest of these styles, like what we have, I have done it here, like creating AWS and all these things. It's all up to you how you want to drive it and create it. You to just create this all icons and all. You can take it from the internet, or or you can do copy and paste somewhere from the here itself AWS, like for AWS EC2, like AWS EC2 I have already have icon, so I can take it. Like EC2 instance, I can take it. Let me remove it here. I'll paste it here. So this one I can do it here. So I know the rest of the part from here to here, it is happening from here, right? So I can do that, but I can also fill the color. So suppose I fill this color. Now I just want that back with that. Okay, this I don't want to lose this color and also that color. So there is a one option in the style. Why I am not able to do anything? Okay, undo. Okay, and then I do this style opacity. You make it a lose it. So now you can see this is something that it's showing that it is inside this one, and then maybe you can use it as is. So I hope you understand that what I am trying to say here means you can easily create sequence by using your GitHub, and so that understanding any GitHub URL, if there is a coding and if the documentation has been done nicely, you can easily understand or easily convert your GitHub's repositories into this kind of diagrams and understand that what is actually happening, how you know this. So the one way is you can go and ask the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT also will tell you the way, but this is also another way you can do it. I hope you like the video. Please share, subscribe and like my video, and thank you very much.